now I'm pretty annoyed about the whole front turn signal thing. Oh, kickstand. That's crazy. I swear I'm not a noob. What was I saying? Yeah, the whole front turn signal thing, because I guarantee you, I don't guarantee it, but I'm willing to bet the plug is either undone or just loose, like got knocked around when I was taking the fairings off. But I mean, I could just take this little piece off and probably should be able to reach it. So it might not be that bad. Should hopefully be a simple fix. I'm not gonna go too fast. I hope that was a regular person just coming out of that driveway. But I was saying, I'm not gonna go too fast since I'm in short sleeves. That wouldn't be fun. I'd rather not lose my tattoos by, hitting the asphalt at 130, 140 in short sleeves. We made it. What are you doing? Oh, she's texting. I should have figured. Now I want to tuck in and go fast again, just because that was fun. Like I said, I haven't been riding in a minute, but I'll be someone smart. Sometimes I wish I could just, actually a lot of times, not just sometimes, but a lot of times, I wish I could just take off work for like a month and spend every day that I could doing bike related stuff, whether it's riding, working on them, just maintenance, stuff like that. Just to like build up the channel again. Because I missed when I didn't have a job and could have 3 videos up a week because I was riding that often. That was nice. And right now I only have 1 a week, which really, really kills my watch hours. They have gone down almost like 1,000 hours, so I'm very far from being monetized. But I obviously can't take off work for a month to record a bunch. So I just have to do it when I can for right now. But I really wish I could. I didn't make it. They definitely sped up. This part's gonna be for the dudes out there. The guys that work out and stuff. So if you're a lady, you can skip this. Probably gonna be like 20-30 seconds, I don't know, it won't be long, but ladies can skip. Guys that don't care about working out and stuff, you can also skip, but that was your warning. I don't know if you guys have also noticed, but like it seems like the bigger you get, the harder you work out and stuff, the more dudes compliment you. Not ladies, dudes. It's like the same with a bike. You get a bike because you're like, oh, you're gonna get so many girls and stuff. But it's 95% guys that are like, oh, I like your bike, bro. Which is awesome. It's still nice to hear. Like, I'll always take a compliment. Especially because, like, I'm never going to give myself one. But it's always the dudes. They're like, oh, you're looking swole, dude. Oh, that shirt looks real good on you. Like, you're looking bigger. You've been working out, all that stuff. Like, thank you for noticing. But I was going to say they're not the target audience, but, like, the target audience, I guess, is myself. I'm not doing it for anybody other than me, so I guess there isn't really a target audience. But anyways, that was just a little thing I've noticed a lot the past month or two. I was just wondering if you guys have similar experiences. Yeah, there's no way I'm stopping with that in time. That's good, because I didn't have to. It looks like it's going to rain again, kind of, in front of me. It's not really supposed to, but one was daily here, so I wouldn't be too shocked. Oh, I had a whole plan about talking about going this route instead of the other one, but then I started saying I wish I could take off work and completely forgot. But I was going to explain that I went this way home instead of the way I came because I hate going on that road, really. The main reason is bad drivers, people being like borderline unpredictable and just awful at driving and not caring about other people on the road. That's the main reason, but like there's also cops and stuff that sit there, things like that, so I'd rather just go this way, because this way you at least have like more room to react and stuff like that. Oh, it feels nice and good here. Hit a little cold pocket over here. This is not cool. They have a bunch of Corvettes. Wait, couldn't I just go straight? Yeah, I guess I could. Well, it's a little late now. No, fuck it. I'm gonna try going straight. Because I think I know where this brings me down. Actually be way faster than taking the light. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so taking that left turn there is stupid if you're going this way. Nice. Look at that. The lady has full gray hair and she is staring at her phone while she drives. She has her phone up against the steering wheel. That's crazy. They're the ones you'd expect to yell at you for texting and driving. But look at her. This is the best part about this road, going through this tunnel. Getting to hear it. Good sound. It does suck not having Instagram because I can't like DM Corey or Tyler or John, anybody like that I rode with, and say like, hey, do you guys want to head out? Or anytime they were going on a group ride, they would let me know through DM. Like now I have no way of knowing, so I'm always out solo. So that part really sucks. But if I ever run into them again, I'll have to give my number or Snapchat or something so that they can let me know when they're going on group rides. That's going to be it for this one, though. I don't really know what else to talk about, so I'm going to wrap this one up here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go through this puddle. But hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow I work 12 hours, so I definitely won't have time to go riding. So I'm not sure when the next time I go will be. As of right now, it's supposed to rain again on my days off next week, so that's what I expect anymore. But hopefully I get some time to go riding then and get some more videos up so I don't run out again, but we'll see what happens. Either way, thanks for sticking around and still watching. I appreciate it. Helps me out a lot.